Hello, my friend. My name is Anna, and welcome back to Simple English Life. Today, we are going to do something different, something fun. We will cook and learn English together. Yes! While cooking dinner, we practice English. Because even if you are busy, you can still learn English in daily life. So, are you ready to join me in my kitchen? Let's go. Today I will cook a simple dish, vegetable fried rice. It's easy, delicious, and perfect for busy people like us. I invite you to cook with me. And don't worry if you don't cook. You can still imagine the steps and practice English with me. Now let's start in the kitchen. Part 1, Cooking Story. 1, Preparing ingredients. I open my fridge and I say, okay, I need rice, carrot, onion, and egg. Wait. What is this in English? Ha ha! Oh yes. Spring onion. I almost forgot. I chop the onion, chop, chop, chop. I say, I am cutting the onion. My eyes get wet. Oh no, onions make me cry, but I laugh. My mom walks by. Anna, are you okay? You talk to yourself. I laugh. Yes, Mom, I'm okay. I'm practicing English and pretending I am a cooking show host. Haha. I hold the carrot and say, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Carrot. I peel it slowly. Oh, the skin falls on the floor. Oops! My cat comes, sniff, sniff. She thinks it's food. I say, no, kitty. This is not for you. This is my English practice. I look at the egg, so small, so smooth, I say, hello, little egg. Suddenly, crack! The egg almost breaks in my hand. I laugh. Don't worry, egg. Your time is later. I put all the vegetables together and say, wow, rainbow colors on my table. I pretend to be on TV. Welcome back, everyone. Today we make simple fried rice. My mom laughs again. Anna, you are so funny, but your English is improving. 2, Cooking in the pan. I put oil in the pan. The oil is hot. I say, now I add the onion. The sound of cooking. Next, I add the carrot. I say, I am frying the carrot. Then I break one egg. Crack! Oh no, a little eggshell went into the pan. Oops! I laugh again. This is real-life cooking. The smell is so good. I stir with a spoon. I say, wow, the onion is turning golden. The carrot is soft now. I smile. It looks like a rainbow in my pan. Pop! The oil jumps a little. I jump too and laugh. The oil is dancing. I add a little salt, just a pinch. I taste a tiny piece. Yummy. I say, cooking is fun. Cooking is love. 3, Adding rice. Now. I add the rice. I say, I am mixing the rice with vegetables. I stir and stir. Suddenly, I forget the word soy sauce. I say, I need this black salty sauce. What is it? Oh, yes. Soy sauce. I add 2 spoons of soy sauce and smile. The pan makes a funny sound, like a snake. I laugh. Wow, my kitchen is alive. I try to flip the rice like a chef, but half of it falls on the table. I shout, "Oh no, the rice is escaping." I pick it up fast and whisper, "Shh, don't tell anyone." The rice looks too dry. So I add a little water, and now the pan sings again. I stir with a happy rhythm, like I'm playing the drums. I say, "Cooking is my concert tonight." I taste a little rice and say, not bad, but I need more power. So I add a pinch of pepper and sneeze 3 times. Achoo, 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 I laugh and say, "Pepper wins." 4. Dish is ready. Finally, the fried rice is ready. I taste it and say, delicious. I clap for myself. Good job, Anna. I smile. I cooked dinner and I practiced English. This was a wonderful study session. I put the rice in a big bowl and it looks like golden treasure. I bow to the bowl and say, "Dear rice, you are my masterpiece." The smell fills the room, even my neighbor's dog starts barking. I laugh. "Sorry, dog, this dinner is only for me." I take a photo of the dish and write, "Chef Anna, level beginner, but heart level expert." I eat 1 big spoon and close my eyes like a food critic. I say slowly, "This is happiness." I imagine Gordon Ramsay in my kitchen, and he says, "Not bad, Anna." I answer, "Thank you, chef. Please don't shout at me." I dance a little victory dance with the spoon in my hand. I finish the bowl and say, "I am full, I am happy, I am ready for more English tomorrow." Then I wink at the camera. Cooking and English, the best recipe ever. 5. Dancing with the plate. I hold the plate of rice. I sing, "La la la, my rice is ready." I make a little dance. Look, my cooking show is also a music show. I turn around slowly. Spin, spin. Oh, I feel like a superstar chef. I raise the plate high, but oops, the plate slips. Crash! The plate falls to the floor. Rice everywhere. I freeze for 3 seconds, then I laugh so hard. Ha 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 ha, no dinner tonight. I bow like a performer. Thank you, thank you. This is the end of my cooking show. Part 2, Useful Dialogues. What are you cooking today? It smells so good already. It's vegetable fried rice, simple but full of colors and taste. Did you prepare the rice last night or just now? Yes, it was cooked yesterday, so today it's perfect for frying. Why do you use so many vegetables in one dish? Because more colors mean more flavors and also more health. Can you show me how to chop the carrot quickly? Sure, just hold the knife steady, then move slowly but firmly. Why add garlic first before the vegetables go in? Garlic gives the oil a strong flavor, then the veggies shine. The sound of frying is so loud, is that normal? Yes, the heat is strong and that's what makes it tasty. Why does rice sometimes stick to the pan like this? Because the fire is too hot, or the oil is too little. Do you need to stir fast or is slow better? Fast helps mix well, but slow keeps everything safe. That soy sauce looks dark. Will it change the taste a lot? Yes, it adds salt, color, and makes the rice look shiny. How do you know when the dish is ready to eat? When the rice looks golden and the smell fills the kitchen. Can I use other vegetables instead of peas and corn? Of course, broccoli or beans also make the dish tasty. Why is fried rice so popular in many countries? Because it's cheap, quick, and easy for busy people. Can children also help with cooking this dish? Yes, they can wash veggies, mix rice, and learn safely. What's the best way to serve vegetable fried rice? A simple plate, maybe some cucumber slices, and a smile. How do you stop the rice from becoming too oily? Use just a little oil and stir until it feels light. What drink goes well with this kind of food? Green tea works great. It makes the taste feel fresh. Can this dish be eaten cold or only hot? Hot is better, but cold still keeps the flavor strong. Do you eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? It works for all meals, but dinner feels most relaxing. What makes your fried rice different from others? Maybe the way I mix colors and the love I add. Why do you love cooking while learning English together? Because both give me joy and both bring people closer. Part 3, Shadowing Sentences. 1. Cooking makes English practice easy, natural, and full of fun. Cooking makes English practice easy, natural, and full of fun. 2. The pan is hot and the oil spreads smoothly. The pan is hot and the oil spreads smoothly. 3. Vegetables add color, flavor, and joy to the dish. Vegetables add color, flavor, and joy to the dish. 4. Garlic and onion create a smell that feels strong. Garlic and onion create a smell that feels strong. 5. Every chop of carrot is like a new English word. Every chop of carrot is like a new English word. 6. The rice enters the pan, soft and ready to mix. The rice enters the pan, soft and ready to mix. 7. Soy sauce changes the rice into golden, tasty bites. Soy sauce changes the rice into golden, tasty bites. 8. The sound of frying is loud but exciting too. The sound of frying is loud but exciting too. 9. Steam rises and the kitchen feels alive with learning. Steam rises and the kitchen feels alive with learning. 10. Stirring makes the rice shiny, soft, and beautiful. Stirring makes the rice shiny, soft, and beautiful. 11th. Cooking turns into a small English lesson with flavor. Cooking turns into a small English lesson with flavor. 12. Sharing food feels like sharing warm words with friends. Sharing food feels like sharing warm words with friends. 13. A spoon of rice brings comfort, joy, and energy. A spoon of rice brings comfort, joy, and energy. 14. The dish looks simply but speaks loudly of care. The dish looks simply but speaks loudly of care. 15. Every color inside the pan tells a small story. Every color inside the pan tells a small story. 16. The heat makes the vegetables dance, bright and fresh. The heat makes the vegetables dance, bright and fresh. 17. Cooking slowly teaches patience. Cooking fast teaches energy. Cooking slowly teaches patience. Cooking fast teaches energy. 18. English practice is easier when the body feels happy. English practice is easier when the body feels happy. 19th. Golden rice shines like sunshine inside the kitchen pan. Golden rice shines like sunshine inside the kitchen pan. 20. The smell travels around the house, calling everyone inside. The smell travels around the house, calling everyone inside. 21. A small taste feels big when shared with love. A small taste feels big when shared with love. 22. Every meal is also a chance to learn English. Every meal is also a chance to learn English. 23rd. Rice, garlic, and vegetables create harmony inside the pan. Rice, garlic, and vegetables create harmony inside the pan. 24. Cooking together builds stronger friendship and simple English practice. Cooking together builds stronger friendship and simple English practice. 25. A happy kitchen feels like a happy classroom today. A happy kitchen feels like a happy classroom today. 26. The spoon moves fast, the food comes alive quickly. The spoon moves fast, the food comes alive quickly. 27th. Steam covers the dish, then disappears like soft clouds. Steam covers the dish, then disappears like soft clouds. 28th. Simple food can make life sweet, warm, and full. Simple food can make life sweet, warm, and full. 29th. Every word spoken here grows stronger with each taste. Every word spoken here grows stronger with each taste. 30. English grows naturally just like rice cooking in heat. English grows naturally just like rice cooking in heat. Wow, we cooked together, we laughed together, and we practiced English together. See, you don't need extra time. You can learn English while you are cooking, cleaning, or doing daily tasks. I am so proud of you for finishing this practice with me. You are amazing. You are one step closer to speaking English with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Simple English Life. Leave me a comment. What topic would you like to learn English with next time? And remember, small steps every day bring big results. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next fun episode. Bye for now.